The third step in transitioning your website is going to be to focus specifically on the artifacts that you've already created and fleshed out with examples and the reflections. And there is a slide in here that is a handy dandy. Okay, so I have a reflection for 3. I'm going to go look at domain number 2 in the previous set of slides and see, does it fit? Okay, so this is highly personal and highly individualized, and I'm going to show you Mary Catherine's example because she was kind enough to allow me to share it. So we'll look at 2 examples, and I'll just give you some ideas of what I would do if I were in the situation. So Mary Catherine has a very nice artifact under content, application of content, and the chart that we have provided, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, would link that up with domain number 1 in the Danielson framework, and that is preparation. So as I'm looking at what she has in here, I see this fantastic reflection about using ethical images, but so she could, she created an infographic. So in my mind, this proves that she is capable of designing materials for her classroom, and that does definitely fit under preparation, which is domain number 1. That is probably what I would do with it, but if she had a good argument, because she did talk about the digital ethics as well, I would leave that in there. I think it just makes it more persuasive, but just change some of the words so that, like here, the artifact relates to the standard of application of content. That obviously is going to have to be tweaked. Another example that she has in here, assessment 4, 5, 6, which would be aligned with domain 3, planning, instruction, and assessment. As I'm looking at this, I'm actually thinking, I don't know, because this was her review of an app that she would use in a classroom. And it's an excellent review, and it's a fantastic artifact. But my thinking is that she should probably move this to domain 6 in technology. But this is where you are allowed to personally decide, as long as you are persuasive in your reflection and it focuses specifically on the new domain. That's fantastic. Now these, other specialized standards, those, just leave those in there.